Road surveyors play a crucial role in the development and maintenance of road infrastructure. In the case of Ahamedpur Chauroli, these road surveyors are responsible for conducting surveys and collecting data to design and plan the construction or improvement of roads in the area. Their expertise in surveying techniques and knowledge of road design principles are essential in ensuring the safety and efficiency of road networks. Ahamedpur Chauroli, like many other areas, relies on road surveyors to assess the condition of existing roads and identify areas that require repair or expansion. These professionals use advanced surveying equipment, such as DGP devices and laser scanners, to accurately measure and map the terrain. They also gather information on traffic volume, road usage patterns, and environmental factors that may affect road construction or maintenance. Once the data is collected, road surveyors in Ahamedpur Chauroli analyze it to determine the most suitable road design for the area. This involves considering factors such as traffic flow, road gradient, soil composition, and drainage requirements. By studying these variables, they can create a road design that minimizes potential risks and maximizes efficiency. The role of road surveyors in Ahamedpur Chauroli extends beyond just designing new roads. This attention to detail helps maintain the integrity of the road network and ensures that it can withstand heavy traffic loads for an extended period. Their expertise in surveying techniques and knowledge of road design principles enable them to collect accurate data and create road designs that optimize traffic flow while considering environmental factors. By collaborating with other stakeholders, they ensure that road construction projects meet all safety standards and regulations. Road surveyors are essential for the sustainable development of transportation infrastructure in Ahamedpur Chauroli. In the construction and upkeep of the road system, road surveyors are essential. These road surveyors in Ahamedpur Chauroli are in charge of performing surveys and gathering information to design and plan the creation or improvement of roads in the region. In order to guarantee the security and effectiveness of road networks, their proficiency in surveying methodologies and understanding of road design principles are crucial. Road surveyors are used in Ahamedpur Chauroli, like many other places, to evaluate the state of the current roads and pinpoint any sections that need repairing or enlarging. To precisely measure and record the terrain, these experts employ cutting-edge surveying tools like DGP devices and laser scanners. They also gather data on the amount of traffic, the way that roads are used, and any environmental elements that might have an impact on how roads are built or maintained. When the information is gathered, road surveyors in Ahamedpur Chauroli examine it to establish the best road layout for the region. This entails taking into account elements including drainage requirements, soil composition, road grade, and traffic flow. They can develop a road design that reduces potential risks and maximizes efficiency by investigating these aspects. In Ahamedpur Chauroli, a road surveyor's duties go beyond just planning new routes. They aid in both the design and execution of programs to enhance roads. As part of this, feasibility studies must be carried out, budgets